Picture this. You're young, wild, and full of dreams. But wait, the financial world is like a gigantic maze, and you're a little mouse trying to find the cheese. Hey there, financial explorers, and welcome to another mind-blowing episode of Wealthway. Today, we're diving into a question that's been haunting millennials and Gen Z. Is it too late for young people to get ahead financially? Buckle up, because this is going to be one eye-opening ride. For more awesome content like this, subscribing is the way to go. And of course, liking this video helps it reach more people. Okay, picture this. You're a millennial and you've probably heard that you're the unluckiest generation when it comes to financial matters. Why, you ask? Well, it all starts with a struggle to afford a home. Housing prices have gone through the roof, making you wonder if you'll ever own a piece of the pie. But here's a fun twist. Let's talk about Bill Gates and his billionaire buddies. You see, they had something that you don't. Perfect timing. Bill Gates was like the chosen one, born at just the right moment to ride a tech wave. If he were born in 1985, he'd be trying to decide between Mac and PC like the rest of us. Poor guy, right? Now, let's tackle the mysterious world of job opportunities. Jobs, my friends, are the stepping stones to financial glory, right? But here's the plot twist. The retirement age keeps climbing like a monkey scaling a skyscraper. That means there's less room at the top for the young guns to shine. Imagine it like trying to compete with Jedi Masters when you're still learning to wield your lightsaber. Not exactly the path to financial fame and fortune, is it? But hold on to your lightsabers, young Padawans. It's not all doom and gloom. Sure, the job market can be challenging, but it's also an opportunity to prove your worth. Remember, it's the challenges that make the victories sweeter. So, dust off that lightsaber and may the financial force be with you. Alright, folks, picture this. There's a chicken and egg situation in the world of finances. Older generations need wealth to retire, and younger generations need those oldies to retire so they can build wealth. It's like a generational Mexican standoff, and trust me, nobody's winning this duel. But hey, this is where the magic happens. Young guns, it's time to strap in and learn how money works. It's not about pointing fingers. It's about understanding the game and how you can play it to your advantage. Remember, wealth isn't a finite resource. The more you learn and grow, the more you can contribute to the financial ecosystem. So get ready to break the cycle and become the change you want to see. Now, let's talk about investments. They're like the level ups in a video game that all of us are secretly hoping will lead to a treasure chest at the end of the rainbow. But here's the catch. The financial market can sometimes feel like you're battling the final boss in a video game with surprises and challenges at every turn. It's a bit like thinking you can ditch your daily coffee and wake up one day as a billionaire. Spoiler alert, it's not that simple. Sure, we've all heard about Gates and Zuck, the tech giants who seem to defy the rules of financial gravity. They're like the superheroes of the financial world. But here's the reality check. They are the exceptions, not the rule. For most of us, the path to financial success is a bit more like a marathon than a sprint. Investing isn't just about throwing money at the stock market and hoping for the best. It's about approaching it with a solid strategy and the right mindset. Diversification is your best friend here. Spreading your investments across different asset classes can help manage risk. It's like having a balanced team in your video game squad. And patience, my friends, is a virtue. Don't expect your investments to explode overnight. It takes time for them to grow and compound. It's a bit like leveling up in a game. One step at a time, gaining experience and getting stronger along the way. So remember, financial success is more of a marathon than a sprint. It's about setting goals, having a game plan, and staying the course. And while it might not feel as thrilling as defeating a video game boss, the rewards in the real world can be just as epic. Now, let's take a wild ride through the world of real estate. It's like the craziest roller coaster you've ever been on, complete with thrilling ups and stomach-churning downs. Owning a home without a mortgage? That's like spotting a unicorn in your backyard, folks. But for renters, it's a whole different ballgame. Renters, my friends, are in for quite the adventure. Rent prices are skyrocketing across the globe, and it feels like a roller coaster that never seems to reach the end. And here's the kicker. Renters don't get to write off their rent payments on their tax returns like homeowners do with their mortgage interest. It's a party homeowners get to attend, and renters are left outside in the cold. And if you're one of the brave souls trying to save for a down payment, well, that's like preparing for a marathon. In some high cost of living cities, it can take over a decade of determined saving to get there. Once you finally make the leap, you're in for the high interest rate plunge. So whether you're a homeowner or a renter, you're in for quite the real estate roller coaster ride. Buckle up! Now, young guns, listen closely. The spending game has changed since the good old days. Online shopping, streaming services, and all those food delivery apps are draining your hard-earned cash faster than you can say, "Where did my money go?" But here's a glimmer of hope. You're saving earlier and you're saving more of your income. According to a study, the average millennial's net worth doubled during the pandemic. Not too shabby, right? But here's the challenge. You're still paying catch-up with older generations in terms of financial milestones. The spending habits of your early years matter more than you think, because that's when the magic of compound interest kicks in. So it's time to strike a balance between enjoying life's luxuries and planning for a secure financial future. It's not about cutting out your daily coffee. It's about being mindful of your spending, investing wisely, and embracing a financial journey that leads you to your dreams. So keep those spending habits in check and keep chasing your financial goals. So, is it too late for young people to get ahead financially? Well, it's like a complex RPG game with high-level bosses, but you've got this. Keep saving, keep investing, and remember, it's not just about giving up your daily coffee. Financial success takes determination and a plan. Keep learning how money works and you'll be just fine. Thanks for joining us on this financial roller coaster. And be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you can join us for more financial fun. Until next time, this is Wealthway signing off. Stay savvy and keep chasing those financial dreams.